Very good evening. Welcome to DeltaCapitis Daily Market Review. Yesterday we had a bullish view on Nifty, and because of inside bar and RSI, a couple of things which we discussed yesterday on the video. And what exactly we told yesterday was this: if market breaks 18,640, would expect 18,700. Below 18,550, can expect 18,500 to be tested. But we had a upward breakout above 640, so we saw almost 700. And if you are following our tweets, we also said that market would close above 18,700 today. So we had a pretty good closing. So Bank Nifty, we were stuck. Basically, it was sideways. Above 44,050, can expect move towards 44,200. This is the view that we had. If 4450 doesn't break, then we could expect some correction. But fortunately, we had a break above 44,050, but 200 was not tested. I think there are a couple of signs which might be telling us that it might continue this up move. So we will see what is in stores. And if you want to keep getting these updates, do follow us on all the social media networks. Having said this, what is that we have for today? Today, if I take a look at daily chart, as expected, price took support at the short-term moving average and RSI at 60. So up move is continuing. So there was some kind of correction from here, which is 18,780 levels. So 780, 775 levels. So that could be probably the first resistance that we have to face. So in terms of price structure, in terms of RSI and other moving averages, technicals looks bullish as of now. So there is nothing to worry. If I drop down to hourly chart, or even lower time frame than that, let's say 15-minute chart. See, this could be the probable support. See, a couple of things are aligning here. There is a gap here, so that gap should be acting as support on any small down moves by chance if we get tomorrow. So that gap is between 630 to 650. So 630 to 650 based on gap should be a support area, and 650 was a resistance for 2 days. So 650 is also a support area because we have managed to break last 2 days high and closed above. So basically any dips to 630 to 650 would be a very good opportunity to buy again. If there is no dip towards 630, 650, and if the market is sustaining above this area around 680 to 670, so that should also be a very good opportunity to again take a long position. So first support zone is between around 670. Second support zone is between 650 to 630. So that is a support area where we have to focus on buying, right? So it is still buy on dips is intact looking at the structure as of now. When it comes to option data, something interesting happened today. As on yesterday, 18,700 was the highest open interest on the call side, which was acting as a resistance with 1.4 CR. Today, the highest call open interest is shifted from 700 to 900. And not only that, highest OI on the put side, which was supposed to be a support area, was at 600, 18,600 with 94 lakhs OI. Now it is shifted to 18,700. So the shift, so 600, 700 range has shifted to 700 and 900 range. This is a very positive shift in the options data. 18, and if you look at the individual strike wise open interest, today we had 600 14 lakhs build up on the put side, 650 43, and 700 46 lakhs. So together, 3 4 strikes. The immediate at the money in OTMs, we have almost more than 1 year open interest build up, which is a very bullish sign. In terms of call side, we have unwinding at 600 about 38 lakhs, unwinding at 650 about 27 lakhs, 700 we have unwinding close to 42 lakhs. So we have seen more than a CR unwinding also in the immediate three strikes, 600, 650, 700. So which is saying that the put traders are confident, whereas call traders are actually not very confident. The major unwinding which we saw was at 700. So 700 seems to be a very deciding factor. So tomorrow, I would hold 680 to 700 as a support zone first. If that is held, we might expect further up move in the market. So 680 to 700 is the range we have to watch for tomorrow, looking at the option data and also technicals also in terms of gap and today's rebound. When it comes to Bank Nifty is kind of a making a bottom here. Before that, let me look at a daily chart. Daily chart is where I'm little concerned of with the divergences and other things because there are RSI divergences. This is the only concern. Otherwise, I don't see much of a concern in terms of this because we are again putting up a higher low in place. Uh, Maybe we might this will be the ultimate resistance. So 44,500 will definitely be a resistance which we have to be careful about, because I will be little more careful on Bank Nifty because of the divergences. Usually divergences, if at all there is a divergences, usually the breakouts usually fail in my experience. If I go to hourly chart, again we are stuck in a sideways zone. The resistance is around 44,200 levels. First thing is we have managed to hold above 44,000. That is a very good sign. But is 44,000 hold is enough, or do we have enough strength to break 250 and at least touch 44,400? That we have to answer tomorrow. So for that we have to observe how the market behaves around 44,200. For now, 44,000 will remain a pretty good support. And we have also closed above 44,050. Why 44,050? Yesterday we were speaking about 44,050 being a resistance area. So today we have managed to close above 44,050. Around 44,100 we are closing. So as long as the market sustains above this 44,000 levels, basically there could be a chance that we will test 44,200. Now whether the strength is strong enough to break 200 and test 44,400 is a question that we have to answer tomorrow. We will see. So slightly bullish view. Nifty is comfortable, whereas Bank Nifty slightly bullish to sideways use is better. When it comes to option data, it is again we had 44,000 and call rating and 44,000 put rating was happening with 57 lakhs on the call side and 48 lakhs on the put side. Today, if you see the data, on the put side, there's not much of a change. 48 lakhs remains 48 lakhs. What is changing here is the highest call OI was at 44,000 with 57 lakhs OI, which is now reduced to 41 lakhs. It means at 44,000 call, we have seen unwinding close to 16, 17 lakhs, which is positive. That means 44,000 call leaders are actually compromising because of close around 44,100, which is a good sign. So in terms of rating on the put side major rating is seen at 44,100. Major unwinding is seen at 44,000 call, almost 17 lakhs. 4,300 we have seen unwinding. The writing on the put side, sorry, call side, we are witnessing only around 44,500 or 44,400. Put rating, we are witnessing around 44,100, about 12 lakhs open interest is actually carried home. So basically, data also suggests that 44,000 to 44,100 could be a support area. So now the OI also looks slightly positive only. There is absolutely no alarming concerns in terms of OI. So the gist of the story here is 650, which was a resistance yesterday and day for yesterday, now it is broken. So that should act as a support. So any dips to 650, even before 650, 680, if it is held, that is pretty good sign. Data is bullish, technicals also bullish. There is a bear trap. Bears were trapped at 18,700 call. So we have seen unwinding of 42 to 46 lakhs around 700 call, which is again the data wise technically also we are bullish. So buy on dips is what I am expecting tomorrow also. In terms of Bank Nifty, 44,000 to 44,050 was defended today. That should be a support area. 200 is the first resistance we could probably expect. If 200 breaks, then we could expect some further move towards 44,400. So I am going with a bullish view with 650 and 44,000 as a levels to watch on the buying side, right? So if you want to keep getting these updates, do follow us on social media, YouTube, Twitter, Telegram, so that you don't miss any of these updates, right? Thank you so much for watching. See you tomorrow. Bye bye.